Hey, yeah, welcome back to another reaction video. Guys, this is going to be a first time reaction to Yama Sumac, and she sings Chuncho. Okay, this is 1958, guys. This is the first time seeing me. My name is Naza, and you're welcome to today's video. So, guys, without further ado, let's just dive right in and watch this. Guys, it sounds like all these voices you hear when you enter a forest, like these echoes, like birds singing and they're echoing, like it's kind of scary and chilly. Like even you just stand in the forest, like not a, let me say a bush, not even a forest, because forest is I can't even go there. I can't go there never. I'm so scared to go to that side. Okay, let me say the normal bush. Maybe you went to farm or anything. Like just hearing the birds singing, the creeping, creep, creep, creep. Like it's chilly. Like more of guys, yo. This is giving me that vibe. Yes, with the wind, like the hoofs. Right, guys, she's the one doing all that. Hey, you, like she's the one making all the sounds. Yeah, like yeah, I am. I'm a bit scared. Like I don't know. She's the one doing all that. You guys, you. ¿Quién Pew, pew. Guys, I don't know why I'm scared. This is birthday. And this is the I don't know why I'm scared just watching this. It's giving this should I say even forest eerie? Like it's just giving out this so chill, so cold vibes. Like as if we are entering an evil forest. Guys, you please. Who is this woman? Because yeah, she's talented. it has ended, guys. Yo, guys, the bird sounds, like the flapping of the wings, like guys, she's the one making even the creeping sounds that we're hearing. She's the one making all that. Like she will really go far in the movie industry. Like she will really go far. Imagine, let me say, the beginning of a movie, she makes the sounds. Maybe in a local movies, traditional movies, guys. Oh my god! Like this is so beautiful. The fact that she can get all these sounds like so clean like this, guys. She's talented. She's talented, guys. This is my first time reacting to her. Not a song. I thought it was a song, but guys, this is my first time reacting to her. Guys, like she's really, really amazing. She's amazing. I wonder how it would be in a concert, guys. Guys, what do you have to say about this video? What do you have to say about this woman? Yama Sumac. Guys. Go have the day you deserve, and we'll keep living on a commanded blessing. See you guys in the comment section, guys. In the comment section.